Hey guys, welcome to the channel and thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to go over AI voice and we're going to showcase an end-to-end AI voice ordering system that we're building out for one of my clients. First, we'll start with a quick demo to show you guys what we've been working on, and then we'll dive a little deeper into showing the tech that's used to build such application. After that, we'll talk about how this could really benefit the industry and people in the food business as well as real estate and anywhere in between. And then we'll jump over into how I think these things can improve, and then where we can work on this and build upon this to make a better tool for the industry. So with all that said, let's jump right into it and see the demo.
Thank you for calling Joe's Pizza. If you'd like to order online, just ask and I'll text you the link. In the meantime, I'm here to take your order. Can I get your name?
Yeah, it's Carter.
Great, Carter. For your order today, would you prefer pickup or delivery?
Can I do delivery? And can you send it to 225 Paper Street?
Just to confirm, you've chosen delivery. I have your address as 225 Paper Street. Is this correct?
That's correct, yeah.
Got it, Carter. Let's start with your order. Would you like to build your own pizza or choose from our specialty pizzas?
Let me do a specialty. Can I get a taco pizza, please?
It seems we missed the size for the specialty taco pizza. What size would you like for the pizza?
Let me get it in a medium.
Got it. Have you finished adding items to your order?
No, can I also get a Sprite?
Got it. Have you finished adding items to your order?
What other specialty pizzas do you have?
We have a variety of specialty pizzas to choose from, such as buffalo chicken ranch, chicken bacon ranch, BBQ chicken, pepper jack, taco, meat, veggie, special, Joe's special, Sicilian, and margarita. Which one would you like to add to your order?
Neither. I'm fine. I'm done ordering.
Great. Before we finalize your order, I'd like to suggest some additional items that complement your order. Since you've ordered a specialty taco pizza and a Sprite, would you be interested in adding any sides or desserts to complete your meal? Our garlic bread and cheesy breadsticks go great with pizza. Would you like to add either of these to your order?
I'm good. Thanks, so.
Thank you for your order. Just to confirm, you've ordered one medium specialty taco pizza, one Sprite. Is everything correct?
Yeah, that's right.
Great, your order is all set. Your order number is 8,381. You will soon receive a text with a link to complete your payment.
All right, now we have this link from the Twilio bot and telling us that our order has been processed, and we can now check it out. So here you can see we have our taco medium size and our one Sprite, and tallied up down here at the total for $20.23, and then a pay link. And ideally here you'd be able to type in something here and text, can I add another drink, please? A Fanta. And you're going to send that into the bot or to the AI ordering system and say, okay, I want to add another drink, and it would recognize that you need to add a drink, add that to your order, and then give you a new total for you to pay right there. So there's no human involved at all throughout this ordering process. You can just continue to make orders asynchronously to your backend. So to build out a system like this, we use a combination of robust tools and technologies to make sure that we have the maximum control and flexibility over this application when we're running it or hosting it on a cloud server. So the first thing we did to ensure this, we use fully custom code Python rather than using any custom or no code solutions to ensure that we have the maximum control and flexibility over the resource we're using when we're hosting this code and application, as well as extra validation when we're using this LLM to respond to customers' inquiries. To run this whole demo as well as test this system, we use ngrok on our development servers to port our internal network out to the wild wide internet for our other services to use and communicate with our front-end dashboard that you saw in the last part of the demo. For our real-time voice communication through phone as well as text messages, we use Twilio's API to make real-time phone calls as well as send out text messages to our customers at the end of the conversation. For our AI brain, we use ChatGPT, OpenAI's 3.5 turbo model to understand human conversation and then respond with the correct function calls to collect orders or move us forward in the process, as well as generate text to give back to the customer as a response. Speaking of text to give back to the customer response, we use a fourth API service called Retell AI, which is a new up and coming player in the whole AI voice system, AI voice marketplace, to use their text to speech models as well as their custom conversational turn taking models that allows our AI system to know better when to speak and when to listen. Using these services and APIs, we're able to build a robust tool and system to take voice orders via phone for Joe's Pizza, which can be renditioned and renovated to work for any any food industry that's taking online or over the phone orders. All right, so now let's talk about the benefits of an AI ordering system like this one. Uh, Firstly, this ensures that our orders are consistent and stick to the menu. I've seen lots of AI voice ordering demos online on YouTube. I see they're just thrown together and hacked together, and they might order a pizza, they might order a sub, they might order whatever it is, but it's never something that has to stick strictly to a menu. Like if I call in out and I order something from Domino's, I can't order a ribeye steak from Domino's. I can only order pizza, maybe some breadsticks, some cinnamon sticks, or maybe a cookie or something like that, right? So you have to make sure that you're sticking directly to the menu for a business critical role or job like taking orders for a restaurant. Secondly, a system like this automates the whole order taking process for a restaurant, freeing up staff to do more important things for the restaurant like cleaning, cooking, or serving to customers inside the building. Why would you have one physical person taking out phone calls one by one when you can have an AI virtual assistant taking 10, even hundreds of calls at a single time, sticking to the script consistently time by time, upselling each item that you want to upsell, suggesting whatever things you want to suggest in every phone call you have. And finally, this tool is extremely scalable and flexible. As your business grows and evolves, your AI ordering system can change with you, taking on an increasing number of phone calls and changing menus without compromising on any speed or accuracy. With the system being fully custom, it's highly modular and can be cannibalized or evolved to fit a number of voice use cases. From phone ordering all the way to real estate to any service-based business that takes phone calls, honestly. So while the app is already pretty robust and flexible, in my opinion, I think there's always room for improvement. So we're going to go over a few improvements I think that we can make in the app in this section here. So first things first, I would say get off ngrok. So the first, ngrok is great for a development environment for you want to build things fast and start constructing an application as soon as possible. But it's terrible, and I would never suggest you use ngrok in a production environment. Um, in a production environment, you want to have more reliability and security from wherever you're hosting your application, and that's just not what happens with ngrok. So I would suggest you take your code somewhere to a place like render, which is where this code will be sitting at, to really have that reliability and ease of mind that you're running your application in a sufficiently suitable cloud hosting environment. Another thing we're focusing on is trying to get more human-like AI responses from the bot. While I feel like you'll always be able to tell that you're talking to an AI and not an actual human, it still should be. I still want to make those conversations much more seamless and less robot-like and more human-like to make this a better user experience for our customers. In an effort to do just this, we're all working tirelessly and all the time to port new and better models to work with the system. For an example, we recently ported the whole system to work with the GPT-4o model, the newest model released from our OpenAI overlords, and we've seen great success in using that model. That model is as I say, GPT-4 Omni model, so it has integrated voice, uh, um, image, and text recognition inside the model, which allows us for a much smoother conversation and flow of the conversation, adding in the natural pauses, ums and ahs into the conversation, as well as the deviations from a natural conversation to add in a joke here or something, a slight statement here throughout the conversation to make it more human-like and easier. And to better our user experience, lastly, we want to add in customer profiles into the system. So when you're calling into your favorite restaurant, you want to feel like you're known and that someone there remembers you. So to enable this feeling and feature inside of our system, we're adding customer profiles. Customer profiles will allow us to make the user experience for each customer that calls in repeatedly after the first time even better than the last. So collecting whatever information we can collect from the customer and speeding up the ordering process by matching the call number to what we have stored in our database, we can make this user experience and ordering process even more seamless than it is. All right, guys, my name is Carter James, and that was GrayTech's AI voice ordering system. If you like the content and the tool, please leave a like and a comment below. And if you didn't like it, please leave a like and a comment below, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. This is the start of something new we're going to do here at GrayTech, where we're showing demos and showcasing projects we're working on, as well as doing a few tutorials here and there when time permits and people like it. If you like the tool and you want to see more in-depth content about how it was built from ground up, maybe a sneak peek into the code and how we can build something like this on your own, then just leave a comment below and I'll let that be a notice to me to come back and do a more in-depth tutorial to show you guys how all this stuff is made and how you can utilize it for yourself, building it for your business. If you are interested in reaching out to me or learning more about me in the business, you can check out the description below, and there'll be a link to the website and also my email where you can reach out and hit us up for a little inquiry, and we can meet up and talk about AI or IT. Yeah, so hope you guys liked the video. Leave a like and subscribe below, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.